Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the company meetings. As you know, meetings are the important part and parcel of the company's management or administration. You know that the corporate system of the business organization is essentially a democratic within, and there is a separation between the management and ownership. The board of directors, who are the representative of the shareholders, took after the management of the company. They have to meet very often to discuss and decide important matters related to the affairs of the company time to time. The shareholders, who are the actual owners of the company, should meet at least once in a year and get acquainted with the progress and prospects and administration done by or being done by the company itself. As far as the meeting is concerned, a meeting is said to be a gathering of two or more persons that has been convened for the purpose of achieving a common goal through verbal interaction, such as sharing information or reaching to an agreement. Meetings of a shareholders, or if we see the types of meeting, then we have following types of meetings. First is the shareholders meeting, under which the statutory meeting is there, annual general meeting is there, and third one, extraordinary general meeting is also there. So three subtypes of under the heading shareholders meetings are there. Thereafter, second type of a meeting is meeting of directors, which consist of the board meetings and the committee meetings. And third one is other meetings or special types of meetings which are convened according to the time being in force, as per the time being in force, or as per the demand of the company's necessity. So these consist of class meetings, meetings of creditors, meetings of debenture holders, etc. So as far as if we make a type in short, we can say that the types of the meetings are shareholders meeting, second is directors meeting, and third one special other meetings. In shareholders meetings, there are again subtypes. One is a statutory meeting, second is an annual general meeting, and third one is an extraordinary general meeting. In a second type of a meeting, that is the directors meeting, which consists of a board meeting and the committee meetings. And third one, the special or other meetings, in which we can say that there is a class meeting and the meeting organized or conducted by the creditors or debenture holders. So these are the types, especially the main three types of the meetings are there. Shareholders meetings, who are the owners meetings, we can say. Thereafter, the directors meetings, administrators meetings, we can say. And third one is a special type of a meeting which can be conducted or scheduled for a special purpose, consisting the class meetings and creditors or debenture holders meetings. Let us discuss these types of a meeting one by one. First of all, let's go to the shareholders meeting. Shareholders meetings consist of, as I told you, meetings of statutory meeting and shareholders meeting, annual general meeting, and extraordinary general meeting. Wherein the statutory meeting we have to see first of all. Statutory meeting is the first meeting of the members of the public company. It is held once in the life of a public company by company that limited by shares. Statutory means legal, so this meeting is totally based on law. This type of a meeting must be certified by at least two directors. What type of occasion is there, or under that occasion, or due to that occasion or circumstances, this type of a meeting when and where to be conducted. So this meeting must be held not less than 1 month, but before 3 months of obtaining the certificate of commencement of a business. Notice of such type of a meeting will be sent by the directors to all the members of the company at least 21 days before the actual conduct of meeting, and also send a copy of the statutory meeting report to the shareholders as well as to the registrar of the companies also. What is the purpose of conducting statutory meeting? To win a confidence from the shareholders. This is the one objective or purpose, it can be said. Second is to provide latest information about the company and company's progress and what company is going to do, the company's future prospects, etc., to the shareholders. To discuss the future plans, to discuss the statutory report, that what type of a company it is established, how many total numbers of the shares issued, total receipts, total payments, total cash received against shares allocated, details of the shares allocated, details of the money received, etc. So this is what we have discussed. Very simple. It is a statutory meeting, is a meeting which is a very statutory, which is a very legal meeting, and it is to be organized not less than 1 month, and within the 3 months of the after commencement of the business of the company. Thereafter, second meeting is the annual general meeting. Every public company will hold annual general meeting of its members every year. This meeting is to be held by the directors of the company. Mandatory, it is a mandatory for every type of a company or for that matter. What is the occasion for that this type of a meeting can be called upon? The first annual general meeting must be held within 18 months from the date of its incorporation of the company. The next meeting must be held once in every calendar year within 4 months after closing its financial year. What is the purpose of this meeting? To receive and consider the directors and auditors report. The directors report and the auditors report should be checked out, should be put forth before the members or the owners or the shareholders of the company for their perusal. To sanction or declare dividends as per the recommendations by the directors. To appoint or reappointment the directors or any other employee or anybody which is responsible to the management of the company. To appoint or reappointment of the auditors and fix their remuneration. Let us discuss the third one, extraordinary general meeting. All general meetings and other general meetings and statutory meetings are known as extraordinary general meetings. This meeting is held on the special occasion, or it can say in emergency situations when directors thinks that it is necessary. For example, at the plan of merger, the meeting is held on the special occasion, and in the emergency cases or situations, notice of the meeting should be given by the directors to the members of the company at least 21 days before its conduct of the meeting. Thereafter, let's go to the second type of a meeting, is the directors meeting. A board of directors generally must conduct a board of meeting to make a company's decision, frame and general policy, and the company directs its affairs, appoints the company officers, and ensure that they carry out their duties, and recommend to the shareholders regarding distribution of the dividends, etc. This type of a directors meeting has not provided in the Act, statutes. Usually the director may at any time summon a meeting of the directors. Board of directors will hold the responsibility for the overall success, profits and loss and failure of the corporation or a company. Under which two directors meetings of the directors, under which two sub meetings are there, board meetings and the committee meetings. A special meeting is one called, again there is a subclasses of meetings. Special meeting and the scheduled meeting. A special meeting is one called by the majority of the directors for a particular deciding of a purpose, revealing the purpose. Scheduled meetings means a meeting generally set forth in the corporation's bylaws or articles of association. In the type of a special meetings of the directors meetings, which comes under the directors meeting for any special situations or special matters or any disputable matter is there, then when the meeting is arranged by the company, at it's called special meeting. The type of the special meetings are as follows: class meeting and the creditors meetings. In the class meeting, the company has a different kinds of shares. When the meeting is arranged by any one kind of a shareholder, it is called a class meeting. Means particular holders, class holders of the shares, particular persons, if they are holding a particular type of a shares, then if their meeting is to be held out, then only it is to be called a class meeting. Creditors meetings or the debentures meeting. The directors or their appointed lawyer can invite this type of a meeting. Moreover, this type of a meeting may be arranged by the order of the court if necessary to reconstruct or to dissolve or to any amalgamate the company to preserve the rights of the creditors. This type of a meeting is invited by their proper authoritative person. The creditors who will be present in the meeting or the presence of 3/4 creditors of the total credits can take the decision, and the court will give the instructions on the basis of the decision, and the creditors are bounded to abide by the decision. Now let us discuss what is the proceedings of the meetings. First of all, proceedings of the meetings consist of the venue, the place where the meeting should be conducted. Thereafter, the quorum is essential. If the quorum along with the quorum, if any director or shareholder remains absent, then he can send his proxy or a representative to the meeting for casting of the vote also. Thereafter, chairman must be necessary, or he must be required to present at the time of a meeting. If he doesn't absent, he remain absent, then he has to make an arrangement in this regard to give a charge to other directors to act as a chairman. And thereafter, casting of vote. So for passing of any special resolution or a simple resolution, and this is the process, this is the proceeding of a meeting. Through this meeting, one can put forth his thoughts and get it passed as a resolution, and it will come out for the benefits of the company, for the members of the company, for the shareholders of the company, overall for the management and profit and development of the company. So this is what we have today discussed, the classes or the types or classification of the meetings. For now, I will take your leave. Thank you very much.